What's going on, everybody? We out here at 2003 Roach Circle in Anderson. We're literally a stone's throw from the lake right now. This is a great property, okay? Let's get into it. Here is the price. The price is $995 per month. That includes the lot rent, okay? This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Here's A to Z on how you can get into the property. The first thing you should do is call or text my phone number, 864-803-3153. After you text the number, you want to book a tour. After you book the tour, we will send you an appointment confirmation. After you get the appointment confirmation, you will send your driver's license, a picture of you holding the driver's license, and then just a picture of the driver's license. If you don't have a driver's license, we do accept a passport, and you will have to do the same. It will be a picture of you holding the passport, and it will be a picture of the passport by itself. We do this to confirm that if you're coming to come see the property, that we can verify your face with the ID. As simple as that. The next step. All you have to do is give us a call when you get here, and we will provide the lockbox code. Once we provide the lockbox code, you're able to go inside and view the property in person. After you view the property in person, you will have to send your first name, last name, and your email address to us in a text message. What we will do, we will talk with our property manager. We will email that information to them, and they will email you the official application. And the property management is Expert Property Management. We are a stone's throw away from Haywood Mall in Greenville, South Carolina. That is our in-person office. And beware, there are some scams going out here, and we do not want you guys to get scammed. Do not ever pay for a tour of a home, okay? You do not have to do that. For anybody who's filled out the Zillow app, we do accept the Zillow apps if you're seeing this video from after coming off a Zillow tour. If you're coming from off the marketplace, we do not have an application that's on marketplace. We will get the information from you, your first name, last name, and email address, and email that to our property management. The property management will then email you the application for you to fill out. The price of the application is $30. The price of the tenant screening is $30. After you are approved and accepted from our property management, we will reach out to you, us at Flip Market, or the property management will reach out to you for you to come put down a deposit. The deposit will be what the rent is. So for this house, it's $995 for the security deposit. After you put your security deposit down, we will take the property off the market and let everybody know that it's gone. It's your house now. For you to be able to move in, you will have to pay that first month's rent, which will be the $995. You do not have to pay the $995 for security deposit and the first month rent at the same time. You can, if you are approved, you can simply drop the money order off to the property management in person, and then you can select your move-in date. And before you move in on that move-in date, that's when you'll pay the other $995. With all of that being said, guys, I just wanted to have very clear understanding on what it takes to get into the property, what it looks like from A to Z. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this tour. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, $995 a month, includes the rent. Have a great day.